Now next thing is comments one thing. Okay, so first, before understanding how to add comments, let's first understand what are comments one thing. Okay, so comments are basically to explain your code one thing. Okay, like you have written some logic, okay, in couple of lines you have written some logic, but you want that if anyone wants to understand that logic in a proper way, you can add comment. Okay, like the below logic perform this particular thing. Okay, that's our comment one. Okay, so basically comments make our code more readable one thing. Okay, so comments used to explain the code and make it more readable. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, now in Java there are two types of command. First is single line comment, and second one is multi-line comment. Multi-line comment function. Okay, so single line comments are represented by forward slashes one thing. Okay, and multi-line comments are one forward slash asterisk, then again asterisk, and forward slash one thing. Okay, now if you want to comment a particular line, okay, if you want to write one thing, like for an example, int a is equals to 10 plus 21. Okay, and if you want to write like a variable used to add 10 and 20. Okay, so this is a single line comment one thing. Okay, and multi-line comment means if you want to comment multiple lines, okay, like a paragraph. If you have complex logic and if you want to explain in multiple lines, we use multi-line comments one thing. Okay, so like here you can see the purpose of line number 7 is to print the value of a. Okay, but I want it. Okay, and one more thing, okay, about comments one thing. So comment never print on your console screen. Okay, so let's say if I add single line comment here, okay, and let's see the output. So we are not getting the value of a1. Okay, in this way you can add comments in your code one thing. Okay, now if I want to write, I can write anything here. Okay, so like below lines are used to print the value of b comma c comma d one thing. Okay, so this is your single line. Okay, now let's say you want to comment all the three lines one thing. Okay, so one way is comment using single line comment, or another way is you can use multi-line comment. Okay, so forward slash asterisk and define the ending. Asterisk and forward slash. Okay, so now you are able to comment multiple lines one thing. Okay, if you run, so this time we are not getting anything on the console. Okay, so this is our single line comment and multi-line comments. Okay, now so this is all about comments one thing, pretty simple. To what is the purpose of it? To make it more readable, one thing. Okay, your logic is more readable, one thing. That's why we're using comments in any program.